welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 4 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is Nouns, Common and Proper, right? So what are these common and proper nouns? First of all, we all are aware of the nouns. So nouns are basically the names of the person, place, animal and thing, right? So लेट अस से कि कॉमन और प्रॉपर नाउन्स क्या हैं और हमें क्या बताया जा रहा है, राइट? रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड नोटिस द हाइलाइटेड वर्ड्स. तो हमें पहले ये पैसेज पढ़ना है और इसमें कुछ हाइलाइटेड वर्ड्स हैं जिन पे थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ध्यान देना है. सो लेट्स रीड इट. Once upon a time, there were 3 dogs, Prince, Peter, and Pistorius. They lived under a huge banyan tree. One day, their mother went out and told them not to go inside Mr. Khan's house. Prince, Peter, and Pistorius were very good canines. They went up to the street to find some food. But then Prince was the most naughty, ran towards Mr. Khan's house and climbed over the wall. Right? So, अब यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि कुछ पिंक हाइलाइटेड वर्ड्स हैं और कुछ ब्लू हाइलाइटेड वर्ड्स हैं, राइट? So they say that a noun is a word or a phrase which names a person, place, animal or thing. तो हमें पता है कि जो nouns है वो एक्चुअली किसी भी person, place, animal या फिर thing का नाम होता है. इसीलिए हम उन्हें naming words भी कहते हैं. So here the words highlighted in blue are common nouns and the words highlighted in pink are proper nouns. तो यहाँ पर जो words highlighted हैं blue में वो common nouns हैं और जो words highlighted हैं pink में वो सभी proper nouns हैं, right? So let's study nouns and their kinds. तो अब जल्दी से nouns और उनके kinds को पढ़ते हैं, right? So first of all we have the common nouns. तो अब ये common nouns क्या है? Let's read it. A noun that names common people, animals, places or things are called a common noun. तो ऐसे noun जो कि एक common people, animal, place या फिर thing के बारे में हमें बताए उसे हम common noun कहते हैं, right? Common nouns also name things that we see, hear, touch, smell and taste. तो ये जो कॉमन नाउन्स है ये ऐसी भी चीज़ों को नाम देती हैं जिन्हें हम देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, टच कर सकते हैं, स्मेल कर सकते हैं या फिर टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, राइट? सम कॉमन नाउन्स आर. अब कुछ कॉमन नाउन्स हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. सो दे आर ओशियंस, हाउस, स्टूडेंट, स्विच, हेड, television, company, bag, money, floor, homework, pasta, shoes, story, and winter, etc. Right? Now we have some grammar facts. So they say, nouns are naming words. तो basically ये जो nouns हैं इन्हें naming words कहा जाता है. Right? Now, let's talk about the proper nouns. अब ये proper nouns क्या होते हैं? So, a noun that names a particular person, place, animal or thing is called a proper noun. तो एक ऐसा noun जो कि नाम देता है एक particular person, place, animal या फिर thing को उसे कहा जाता है एक proper noun. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. कि एक proper noun हमेशा एक capital letter के साथ ही शुरू किया जाता है, right? So it says some proper nouns are. अब बात की जाए कुछ proper nouns के बारे में, right? People and pets. Mr. Mehta, Mahatma Gandhi, Arnab. Places and buildings. Manipur, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Juhu Beach, etc. Next, geographical areas. The Himalayas, Bay of Bengal. Holidays. Christmas, Eid, Guru Purab, Diwali. Books, newspapers and magazines. Treasure Island, The Times of India, India Today, etc. Titles: Queen Elizabeth, Prime Minister Modi. Languages: English, Tamil, Telugu. Right? So all these are some kind of the proper nouns. Now, moving ahead, let us understand the difference between common nouns and proper nouns with the help of the following sentences. Right? So, अब जल्दी से common और proper noun के बीच में difference समझते हैं with the help of these sentences जो यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. So, this side we have the common nouns and this side we have the proper nouns. So, it is, I like to watch this film. My favorite film is Dangal. He swam through the river. The Ganges is the longest river of India. My father reads the newspaper every morning. My father reads the Times of India every morning. She can speak 4 languages. Gitanjali can speak Hindi, Bengali, Punjabi and English. Right? Now, we have some points to recall. Let's see what are they. A common noun is a general or common word used for people, places, animals or things. कि एक कॉमन नाउन एक ऐसा नाउन है जो कि जनरली यूज किया जाता है लोगों को, जगहों को, एनिमल्स और चीजों के बारे में बात करने के लिए, राइट? अ प्रॉपर नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ अ स्पेसिफिक पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग. इट ऑलवेज बिगिंस विद अ कैपिटल लेटर. पर एक प्रॉपर नाउन जो है वो एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल या फिर थिंग का नेम होता है, राइट? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the nouns, proper nouns and the common nouns that are given over here. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.